Fiverr affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about the Fiverr affiliate program, how it works, how can you get started as an affiliate marketer on Fiverr platform. So let's get started. So Fiverr is a well-known platform for freelancers and businesses to connect and get work done. With over 3 million services available in hundreds of categories, Fiverr offers a wide range of opportunities for both buyers and sellers. Fiverr's affiliate program is an excellent way for bloggers, marketers, and social media influencers to earn money by promoting Fiverr services. In this video, I will take a closer look at Fiverr's affiliate program and explore how you can get started. So, Fiverr affiliate program is a performance-based marketing initiative that allows affiliates to earn commission by promoting Fiverr services. Affiliates earn a commission when a new user sign up and makes purchase through their referral link. Fiverr's affiliate program is free to join and affiliates can earn up to $150 for each new customer they refer. So first of all, you have to join the Fiverr affiliate program network. So in order to join that, all you have to do is just click on the join now button in the top right corner of your screen. Just click on it. And now it has given you the option, either you can go ahead and continue with your Google account or you can fill in the details manually to start. I'm just gonna continue with my Google account. So just click on continue Google account and select the account you want to connect to. Now you are in the Fiverr network program. And if you don't want to continue with your Google account, all you can do is just manually fill all your details like your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, and all of the details. And once you fill in all the details, just click on next. Wait for approval. Fiverr reviews each application manually, so it may take few days to receive approval. And once you get the approval, then you have to get your referral link. You will receive a unique referral link that you can use to promote Fiverr services. You can promote Fiverr services through your blog, social media channel, email letters, or other marketing channels. Now let's talk about how you can promote Fiverr as an affiliate. Let's suppose you have a blog post. So if you have a blog, you can write a review of Fiverr services or create a list of best Fiverr services for a specific niche or industry. Make sure to include your referral link in the post. And if you don't have a blog post, you can share your referral link on your social media channels such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can create posts that highlights the benefits of using Fiverr or share your personal experiences with the platform. You can also create video tutorials or reviews of Fiverr services and include your referral link in the video description. You can also go ahead and include Fiverr in your email newsletters. If you have an email list, you can include Fiverr in your newsletter and encourage your subscriber to sign up using your referral link. And I would like to share some tips with you guys to succeed in our Fiverr affiliate programs network. So while selecting your particular niche, you have to be very particular about the niche that you're selecting, because that particular niche will gonna determine your success as an affiliate marketer in Fiverr. So choose the right services to promote. Fiverr offers thousands of services, so it's important to choose the one that are relevant to your audience. Make sure to promote services that your audience is interested in and would find valuable. And just be transparent. Make sure to disclose that you are using an affiliate link when promoting Fiverr services. This will help build trust with your audience. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a smaller audience that's engaged and interested in what you have to say than a large audience that's not interested. Focusing on creating quality content that provides values to your audience is very, very important. So these are the few things that you have to keep in mind while starting as a affiliate marketing with Fiverr. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.